So I'm going to I'm going to show you the security room they have down there. So I'm going there. Right now I'm here, the security room. Come to security room. You have this box, junction box for here. This one too for here. For anything outside, maybe fence or light, gate light, doorbell, security fence, intercom, anything about security and outside thing. You can use that box like this. There's more power out. There's more power inside that box. So in case of you use anything outside, you open that box. There's a power unit. So this is so right now, when you come here, you have a TV side for here. This switch will control the bathroom. You have one socket side there, and here is the bed switch for it. One socket at the bed side. So this switch too is here. So we are going. So I'm going to the security room. This is the security room. We have switch here. One socket here. One socket here. Another switch here. This switch control the bathroom. This is the TV side for the security. So that's what it is. I'm going to the engine room. For the engine room, this is how it is. This is the engine room. So this is how it is. You have one socket for engine room there. This one is for me. This is for me. This room, let me say, is my room. That's my engine room. This box will control security room here, and the upstairs room. This box will control this side, down here and top there. So it will control all this apartment. So that's how it is. So this box control the security room here, and upstairs and outside things. Anything will come outside. The security fence, doorbell, and anything, videos, CCTV camera, electric fence, anything outside. This is the one to control it. It's for security. All the outside things for security. Security man is the one who will control that all things. So this box will control anything outside. This is the one to control it. So that's how it is. Okay, madam. So far, so good. We are done with the piping and chisel work. Here's the master bedroom. When you come here, you get a switch. The switch is here. As this switch will control this porch for outside here. And here, this is the bed switch. It means lighting switch, fan, and socket for it. You have a socket here, one at the porch here, and here is a TV side. Here is a TV side. Here you see a connection outlet for there. So this is the bathroom switch. You have a connection switch, water heater, and this switch box will control the bathroom and this bedroom for control. And you enter the bathroom for shavings, for mirror side. You have one socket for the sink side, maybe shaving and other things. This socket is there for it. And you have one socket for the bed side. So for the bed side, you have two sockets. One is here, and one is here, and one is at the bed top. So this is the bedroom. We are going to living room. Here too, this is a different room. This is the kitchen. The kitchen, you have two double sockets for the kitchen. This is one, this is two, And at the same time, you have switch for here. Maybe if you put a ceiling fan at the kitchen, maybe you use one, or when you come to wiring, anything you can use it. So you have two boxes for there, and this switch to control the storeroom and this porch. And at the same time, the porch, you have one socket for back here. And so that's out. And this is the living room. You have the living room. You have one socket for here. One is here. Here's your air conditioning outlet. Here is your TV side. And you have your switch here. The ceiling fan, air conditioning switch, another switch is here. So far, this is how we are. And this is your small corridor for the other side. So you have one socket for the corridor. I'm entering another bedroom. Here is your TV side. Here's the switch, the air conditioning switch, and the lighting switch. When you enter the room, you have one socket here for the bed side, and this one too for the bed top. You have one socket, ceiling fan, and the switch for here. And this switch too is one is for water heater, one for the switch, the battles. So that's how it is. So we are done on this one too. For the staircase, when you are going down, you have switch for here to on the staircase lights, and you get one light for the wall for the staircase. Maybe for any design light for the staircase here, you get one light here. You are going down, you have one switch for the switch. When you come top, you can on the lights. At the same time, when you are going down, you can off the lights. You get one light for the water. So far, remain the floor. We are waiting for the statement to finish so that we can lay our pipe on it. So by today we will finish. Maybe by today by 6 p.m. we will leave here. So that's how it is right now. So we are waiting for the statement to finish so that we can do our pipe laying on the floor, and we left here. So that's how it is right now. So we've done the piping and the boxing so far. So after roofing, when you call us, we come for the wiring. So when we are leaving here, we will do an estimate for the wiring before you, so that when you leave here, we can send you the estimate for the wiring. Okay, thank you.
This is our way. They have done it. They have finished their works. This is also the workway, the main room. The electrician.
Okay, madam, good morning. So far, we are done with the security. We have done everything. So this is the security room. Here's the junction box for outside lights and outside doorbell and everything. This is one for the main building junction box. Here the single room is there. We've done with this. This is how it is. Socket here. Switch here for the bathroom. Here's the TV side for that single room. Back of the security room. Then here's the main security room. You have one switch here. Socket here. One socket here. Here's the TV side for the security room. Okay. Here's the switch for the bathroom. And this is the engine room. This is the main engine room. This is how it is. This is how we are. Okay. So right now, let's go to top. Let's go to the floor. Here we are. we are done with the piping on the floor. Piping the floor. This is how it is. We are done on it. I will say it. Okay. So, madam, please, we are done.
So please, this is the first room for the downstairs. At first, here was the basin, but there is a window here, so when you want to fix a mirror, it won't go here. So we just put the water heater here, and then the wash and basin will come this way. So if you want to fix a mirror or a cabinet basin, it can go there. And here is the shower. This is the shower. Please, here is the visitors for the downstairs. Here is the visitors. And the downstairs, the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. And the water heater to go this way. Yeah. So, please, as you can see, we are changing the toilet, the position of the toilet, and then we are changing the bathroom too. The bathroom drainage, we are changing it too. Okay, and here is the upstairs, the master bedroom for the upstairs. At first, here was the WC, but this is not the right place, so we are bringing it here so that you can get a big bathroom here. So here is the shower, and then the wash and basin will be at this place. Then the water heater will come this way. And here too is the kitchen. You put the kitchen here, and the washing machine will come this way, and then water heater too will come this way. So this is just the chisel. And this is also another bathroom, the small bathroom for the upstairs. So here will be the shower. The basin will come this way. The WC is here, and then the water heater too will come this way. So this is the chiseling that we have done it. Please, this is the bathroom for the security post. Yeah, this is the connections. Please, this is the master bedroom for the downstairs. So here is the shower. Here is the water line for the water closet. And then here is the main controller for the cold water. And this is the hot line. As you can see, the arrow is there. Here is cold and here is hot. And here is the wash hand basin. So the hot line, we just disconnect what you just told us. You said you don't need electric heater. You need a solar heater, so we have disconnected. So this is the hot line. So when we are coming to do the outside, we will lay that pipe to where you will put the solar heater over there, which is the security post. We will lay to that place. So this is the first room for the downstairs, and this is the security room, the visitors room. The visitors room. So this is the wash hand basin. This is the water closet. This is the main controller. And please, this is the kitchen. So as you can see, your left side is the hot one, and here is the cold line. So when we are doing the outside, we will do all, we will make sure we will lay all this pipe to where you will put the poly tank and then what do you call it, the solar heater over there. So this is the kitchen. So we just disconnect this one, the electric heater. We just disconnect it. So we are doing what you just told us. Please, this is the master bedroom for the upstairs. Here is the connection, and this one too is the same as the down one. This one is the water for the water closet, the connection of the water for the water closet. And here is the controllers, the cold and then the hot. So that's it. And here is the wash hand basin. And as you can see, this pipe is going down because of where you will put the solar. You have to run this pipe down. So this is the connection. So we have disconnected the electric heater. Please, this is the master bedroom for the downstairs, the one we just sent it for you yesterday. So we have finished the patching. And this is the controller. We don't want the tiler to dirty our stopcock, so I buy sellotape. So I just sellotape it. So when they finish the tiles and everything, you will come and remove all these things so that the tap will still remain fresh. So that's how is it. And here is the basin. And this is the visitors room for the downstairs. So we just complete the downstairs. And this is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen. So we have finished the kitchen too. This is the back of the kitchen. So please, this is the master bedroom for the upstairs, the one we were talking about. We were talking about it yesterday. So this is the connection. This is the connection, and as you can see, this is the connection for the solar heater. This one is the hot line. This one will bring the hot water to the bathroom, and this is the cold line. This one is going to fill the solar heater with cold water before it will turn to hot water to this line. So as you can see, this is it. So we have disconnect what you just told us. So we are doing it. We are doing it what you just told us. And please, here is the kitchen, and this is the washing machine. Please, this is also the small room for the upstairs. So we have finished that one too. And as you can see, this is the main controller for the hot water. So this one is going to the solar, and this is the stopcock for the cold line. So this one is going down. It will bring water. It will serve at the down end and the top too. So this one is going down. So please, as you can see, this is the supply line for the upstairs, the smaller room for the upstairs. And this one too is the hot line. So we will connect it to the master bedroom for the downstairs, and then the kitchen. This is the hot line, and this one is the cold line. This one will supply the master bedroom for the upstairs, and then the kitchen, and then the solar heater as well. This is the cold line, and this is the hot line. This one is just coming to fill the upstairs, the downstairs room for the master bedroom for the downstairs, and then the kitchen. This is hot line. So right now we have finished. It left our patching for the upstairs. So we will do that tomorrow morning. Yes, as you can see, this is the connection for the solar. So we just finished it. So this is where we are going to fix the solar. We are going to, yes, so this is the connection. as you can see, the connection is two. One is filling the solar, and then the solar, when the solar heats, the water to pass one to the inside to supply the inside. Please, these are the remaining materials, the material that's left for this one. When we come, we will use it. These are the materials left.